everybody? We're back with another video, and this time we're going to be looking at professional RC drift cars. Callum's bought himself a new car. The body might look the same, but underneath is a whole new chassis. So here we have the MST RMX 2.5 RS. MST do 3 different versions of this. They do the 2.0, which is an entry-level version. They do the 2.5, which has just come out. And then they do the 3.0. Now the main differences between the 2.0 and the 2.5 comes with carbon top plate, carbon chassis, nice carbon battery tray. Just look at that glorious carbon fibre. Also comes with upgraded shocks, and hiding in there with an upgraded gearbox. Also has active tow guides. I'm not sure whether the other RMX 2.0 has it, but when you squat down, it gives a little bit of inward rear steer to help you in the drifting. The special professional drift tyres on there. These are MST white dots. Now I'll be honest guys, I don't know a whole lot about drifting. Callum's the person that can drift, so I'm going to go get Callum out of bed because he's snug as a bug in a rug, hiding upstairs in the bed, and we're going to head over to UK's best indoor drift track. Here we are guys, we are at Kent RC Warehouse, the UK's best indoor drifting track.
I agree.
What do you think of this place then, Callum?
I think it's absolutely epic.
Epic. So I'll put a link down below guys where you can find where this place is. What are you going to do now then, Callum?
I think I will drift.
What happened?
I bottled it. I spun.
Major spin out. not who's driving, it's who's crashing.
What are you doing?
I suck.
He does. What you done?
I suck. Seriously, not easy. I absolutely suck. Callum, well, Callum's just Callum, isn't he? Hand it back to the professional.
Yeah.
Just showing off. Callum, let's see your best lap.
My best.
What do you reckon, guys? Marks out of 10 for Callum's best lap. Comments down below. What do you think of it, Callum?
I think it was amazing.
I mean, what's everyone going to do?
They have to subscribe and hit the like and then comment down below.
Check out this place because it is, as I said, probably the best indoor RC drifting place in the UK. Absolutely awesome. Get yourselves down there if you're into drifting.